Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it is time for an Ipsy unboxing. I love these pink bags and every month they send it in a bag similar to this. Usually it is a pink one. I think one time it was a gold one. And so for those of you who may not know what Ipsy is, it is a subscription where every month you get a makeup bag and you get 5 different things in your bag. And it's pretty cool. So this is a really cute bag. It has a little heart, says Ipsy on it, pretty yellow color. It feels nice. So let's see what is inside. So there's a little, this is called Flying Colors, Ipsy for June. And usually there's a little information on what, I don't know if people sponsor it, I don't know, but it's usually like a theme. And so this one, it says, at Ipsy, Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That's why we're highlighting 7 LGBTQ plus creators who know what makes them different is also what makes them beautiful. But that's just the beginning. There's still so much more to educate the world on love, acceptance, and tolerance. Together, we're making strides every day. Whether you're marching in a pride parade, out and proud, supporting your friends and loved ones, or just starting to learn about the LGBTQ plus movement, we hope that your Flying Colors glam bag and all the stories on Ipsy.com will inform, empower, and motivate you to be your best, most loving, vibrant self this June. So pretty cool. Let's see what's inside. First thing is a nail polish made by Pretty Woman. And it's in the color Vacay. And it is a very neutral, like almost white color. Very pretty. Kind of like, reminds me a little bit, probably because the name is Vacay, but it reminds me of like a beach. But it's a very light sand, like a white sandy beach. Cute. And I got a brush. This is a Luxie brush. Small shader. So to me this looks like a eyeshadow brush. I don't know how to open it. Oh, maybe it's just opened. There we go. So it's very nice. I like it. It's a smaller, I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully it's like thin. Very nice. Ooh, this looks like a lippy. This is Lip Icing. And I think that the brand is Estate and the color is Goody. So let's see what that looks like. Ooh, wow, it's very, very sparkly. Lip Icing. Oh, wow. So it's just kind of clear, but it gives you a very nice high gloss, high sparkle, no smell. Ooh, and it's not very sticky, which is nice. Looks like I have 2 of these. Charcoal Clay Bubble Mask. Refreshing Pore Care, Oxygen Bubbling Mask, an invigorating clay mask infused with the powerful purifying benefits of active benzocaine charcoal and oxygen to refine and refresh pores. So very nice. Maybe Katie and I can try those together while she's here for the summer. And this one is Feel Pure Anywhere Balm in Rose. Uses a lip balm or anywhere skin needs added nourishment or as a tint for cheeks and eyes. What? Sounds interesting. If I could only open it. All right. Oh. So it's clear, I think. It smells like peppermint. I'm putting it on my lips in case you were wondering. That's a tint. I'm confused how it's a tint because it is clear as clear can be as far as I can tell. And it is very greasy, I guess, feeling. I don't know that I would want to use it as a, I mean, it feels like a balm. Greasy might not be the word, but it is kind of greasy. I mean, I don't know. I guess it did smooth out on my hand all right. Interesting. I like it. It feels good and it smells really good. It's a peppermint scent, but it's very subtle. It doesn't like knock you out. And I have it on my lips and it's not like so pepperminty right underneath my nose that it's, you know, crazy. It actually smells really nice. So these are nice. I like it. I love the masks. I kind of am crazy about masks and now I have a ton of them. So I need to, I don't know why I'm not using them as much as I was. I think this is pretty. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but we shall see. I like it, so that's cool. This is cool. I like this too. I'm not huge into the nude colors, but I don't know that I'm not. I mean, I like it. I just don't know. I just don't use these colors very much, and I've been doing the French for a while now, and I really like that, so I haven't been using my colors, but I think I would like this, if that makes any sense. And then I love these brushes, and they have given me other Luxie brushes before, but I don't think I have this one, and I can see how this one would be useful. I think I would use it for both, oh, what's it called when you're blending, and I think I could use it also for like, helping to shade, and also maybe, I don't know if I'd use it for liner, and I have other ones that I would use for liner, so this wouldn't be my go-to for that, but you know, there's that. And then the bag, of course, is cute. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.